Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to head over to Audi today, my local Audi dealer. When I got the car, obviously from Coparts, when I won it, I didn't get any history, no V5, no nothing, literally just got the car and whatever was in it at the time. So when you download the Audi app, you can put in the VIN number and it gives you some details and a nice image of the car. Other than that, it tells you to go to the Audi partner that you've selected. I've obviously selected Audi in Stockport because that's where I am. And then it says that you need to contact them and prove that you are the owner of the car now, and they will release you whatever history they may have. Rick at RGH, who's the Audi specialist in Knutsford, he has told me that on his system he can see full history. There's a lot of history there, but he's not allowed to either show me that or print me that or give me a copy of that because he's not allowed to do so. I do need to go through Audi, which is fine. This is something I should have done months ago. I haven't got round to it, but today the family's all busy and the sun's just come out, so why the heck not? Let's get over there, let's see what information Audi's got for us about this lovely RS4, and hopefully it'll be full and comprehensive. Fingers crossed, we might see some RS models there today, and maybe even an R8, God knows. Let's get there and have a look anyway. I'm just going to go inside now and see. I've got my V5 document. In fact, I brought my whole bloody folder of bits, but I need my V5 document anyway. So yeah, I'll go inside now, hopefully come back with all the history, see what this car's been up to in its lifetime. I have just come through the courtyard though, and there is a lovely RS5. I think it was a 2022 Nardo Grey. I'm definitely going to have a look at that. I might have a walk around as well and see what other cars we've got just while we're here. Well, that was a bit of a result. We got some service history, like a printout A4 sheet that's shown some service intervals, oil changes, that sort of stuff between 2015 and 2020. Then it stopped. So I'm wondering whether there was two previous owners to me, I think. So maybe that's up to that owner, and then the following owner didn't bring it to Audi to do their bits and bobs. But what they have said is if I email through, because it's a Sunday at the minute, so if I email through service it back in on Tuesday, and he'll see what service can pull up on their side of the system, which is fine. So I will report back on that score. But for now, sun's out and there's some gorgeous cars in the lot, and I think it's only fair if I show you some of them. Lovely RS3. Same colour combination as mine, but it's got the graphite wheels. That's a stunner, absolute stunner. Gotta love a V8, haven't you? You gotta love a V8. And sunshine. V8 and sunshine. Love it. Let's get the windows down, listen to this V8. thrashing through the back streets of Cheshire, I thought I would show you what the app looks like once it has been updated by service. As you can see, full and comprehensive service record shown on the app through Audi. You can also have a look at other things on the vehicle, such as the VIN number, and then the equipment that obviously the car comes with. You can get the standard equipment, have a look at that, and then have a look at what options have been selected on the vehicle as well. Again, all fantastic information, because when you don't get the vehicle from anybody, this information isn't obviously handed across, so it's fantastic to see the different equipment options that were selected on the vehicle, a lot of which I'd researched, but it's just nice to have that confirmed by Audi as well. Anyway, back to me getting around Cheshire.